Thank you to Shine Armor for gifting me this plastic restorer so I can try it out and show it to you. It's designed to restore the plastic and trim on your car and is UV protectant. It's not harsh and it's gentle, and all you do is you use a soft cloth and rub it on. It helps restore the fading on your trim as well. Let's try it out. You can see it's a bit faded. Wow, it's already brought back out the color. Look at the difference. Wow, just look at the difference now in my bumper. And this is an old car. It really brought the color back. Thank you, Shine Armor. I would highly recommend this to help restore your trim and the plastic on your car.